Good morning everyone, I'm Suprikee and I'm here to teach you how can we visualize the fourth dimension. Obviously, infinite number of dimensions as we know in the vast reality, not in the universe, in the beyondness. So the first dimension we all know is a straight line. The second dimension is a straight line with a perpendicular distance to it. A cube is just nothing but a perpendicular distance to both of them. Means the third axis is just perpendicular to both of them. So it means that in every cross with the dimensions, we plot the axis which is perpendicular to all of those that are previously there. So as we got it from there, we all know it that the first dimension is just a straight line from point A to B, from point B to C, from point A to C. So as we get it, what is zero dimension? Which doesn't have any axis, means it's a point somewhere else. As we know, speed of light travels in the speed with speed of light, obviously. So when light travels in the speed of light, we just get something very interesting there. Like if you somehow see from light's perspective, then you might see the time has nothing. Time has just stopped from anywhere. And as for you, like this is one galaxy and this is another galaxy, okay? As we see from our perspective, the person standing here goes to here within many infinite number of hours. But as the speed of light we approach, it's only 4 million years. For our perspective, like Einstein had said that the mass is just, the speed is just relative and time is also relative. Means the time we are seeing the light years to reach from one galaxy to another galaxy, from light's perspective, it's the time just stops everywhere. Means light just travels from here to here within no time, zero time. It just spawns here and goes there within the blink of an eye, or even with zero time. Just imagine it, like if you were on the light's perspective, okay? So by that theory, the universe is just a point for light, right? It starts in our universe and ends in our universe with everywhere, lights everywhere, as we can see from light's perspective, not from our perspective, okay? So as we know, the zero dimension is just a point in every dimension is point for light. So time is the fourth dimension. Einstein said that time is the fourth dimension that bends the space-time reality. So as we get there, the first dimension is a straight line. Second dimension is just another axis perpendicular to this axis. The third dimension is another axis perpendicular to these two axes. And fourth dimension is nothing but another axis that is just perpendicular to every three axes of this. But how is the time? So from previous video I have said that space-time curvature is nothing but the deflection of path in fourth dimension. Means, was it talking about time? So mass bends time, right? Because mass bends gravity. Yes, mass actually bends time. Because for us we consist of mass, so we have the concept of time. But for light, mass doesn't exist. So nothing is there so-called as time. Means the first dimension this line, second dimension a breadth to it, third dimension is just height to it, and fourth dimension is the time as it has been built. So as you have visualized it, the fourth dimension is a contraction of your body from time to time. You just can't ever get there. And why can't a third dimensional brain can't imagine a fourth dimensional object? That's such an interesting case where a fourth dimensional object is just perpendicular to all these three axes. Wherein we are living in third dimension, so we can actually see the fourth dimension here. We can only visualize from our mind, like here is a cube and here is the tesseract. Tesseract is obviously like sphere line is first dimension, square is second dimension, cube is third dimension, then tesseract is fourth dimension, which has 4 axes. So all axes are equal and perpendicular to each other. So yeah, it means that the visualization of 4 dimension is actually the tesseract. From it, you have also seen in the movie Interstellar, where the Cooper just falls in the black hole and just gets to the tesseract. Why tesseract? Because the black hole was created by the space-time curvature. In space-time curvature was the curvature in 4th dimension, so he was transferred to tesseract. But it was science fiction, so we can't just conclude that. So thank you for giving your time, everybody. I would like to conclude this video. Like, subscribe, I don't know, whatever you do. Thank you.